Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you will learn how to install Python and set the path variable. Let's go. So the first thing we'll do is to go to python.org. Now when we get there, we'll click on download. So download, then you can see the current version is as 3.12.1. okay, so I'm using Windows, so I'll click on Windows, okay, and then you can see, so I did that for you to see that if you are using 32-bit operating system, it's different. You can't come and be downloading 64-bit. So I'm using 64-bit operating system, and I'm going to use the installer. Okay, so I'll click on download. All right, so let's wait for it finish downloading. Okay, so now that we can see that we are finished installing, so I'll click on this, and now you can see that we want to install it now. Okay, if you want to choose a particular location for your installation and set some features, you can go for the customization. So I'm not going to use that. And then this is the critical aspect. You have to add Python. Okay, you have to add the path variable. So I'll check this. I'm also using admin privileges, so then I'll now click on install now. Okay, so I'll grant permission. Okay, and let's wait for it to install. Okay, so as you can see, our installation was successful. All right, so we can now close. Now let's open the command prompt and let's see. So let's see if Python has already been installed. Can do Python. Oh, doesn't recognize that. Okay, let's see version. So the Python versions. All right, so this is the current version. So Python has already been successfully installed. So this is how to set path variable. So when you don't have path variable, you will not be able to do this. So if I have gotten an error, okay, just like before, so if you see what I have here, okay, so you can see because I don't have Python installed, you can see the response I'm having here because it was not found. It can't recognize it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you have comment, I will want to hear from you. Kindly comment. Thank you so much. See you soon.